Welcome to StresStimulus video training. In this video I will show you how to record and parameterize performance testing scripts for Salesforce application scenarios. Performance testing your critical scenarios with realistic test data under different load conditions allows you to predict user experience and accurately identify poorly scaling areas. As an example, I will record a scenario that creates a new opportunity and an account, here. Then I will parameterize them with test data using several techniques applicable to most Salesforce scenarios. In StresStimulus, I start the recording wizard. Enter a test case name, create opportunity. Select a web browser. Enter the URL and the name of the first transaction, landing page. Click here to open the selected browser and start recording. In the recorder, add transaction login and enter credentials. Once the application loads, add transaction all opportunities and navigate to the opportunity page. Transaction new opportunity. Click New. Enter the opportunity name that includes digits 1 through 5. Transaction new account. Enter the account name with the same 5 digits. Click Save to create the account. Back in the opportunity dialog, select a closing date and qualify from the stage dropdown. Then click Save. Transaction log out and sign out. Click Stop to end the recording. The StresStimulus proprietary autocorrelation engine scans the script and creates all parameters required for this scenario. Now let's add the test data to the script for more realistic testing. I will parameterize the opportunity and account suffix with a random 5-digit number and parameterize the opportunity stage and probability with a dataset. I navigate to the data generator section and create a new data generator. Select integer. Select 5 digits from the dropdown. Name its suffix. Next, let's search for the requests with the 5-digit suffix we recorded. StresStimulus finds and highlights the requests to parameterize. Right-click the first one and select Create a Parameter. In the parameter window, right-click on the highlighted value and replace it with the data generator suffix. Select OK to create all required parameters like this one in other requests. Now let's create a dataset to parameterize stage and probability. In the dataset section, click Import. I will use a CSV file called status. Enter its file path. Click Next with all defaults until the last step. Change its default binding mode to VU iteration bound to pick a different record for each new opportunity. Then click Finish to create the dataset status. Next, let's search for the requests where we recorded the opportunity stage as qualify. StresStimulus highlights the found requests. Right-click the first one and select Create a Parameter. In the parameter window, right-click the highlighted value and replace it with the dataset column, stage. Click OK to create more parameters like this one in other requests. Now let's parameterize the requests containing the recorded probability. Instead of searching them by a value that is too short, I will search them by a regular expression. Open Find and Replace dialog. The regular expression looks like this. Check this box. I will replace the recorded values with the dataset probability column. Change the scope to all requests. Click Bulk Replace. 2 parameters were created. Now let's verify the script to ensure it is properly configured. I will execute 2 iterations to create 2 opportunities and accounts. The verification shows no errors. Now let's check if the script created records correctly. I refresh the opportunity page. And below the recorded opportunity, there are 2 new ones, each with a new account having a matching suffix. The accounts have the stage and probability from the dataset, so the script works as expected. Now it can be used for large-scale realistic load tests. Let's review the main takeaways. We went over the common techniques used for the parameterization of most Salesforce scenarios. You can search recorded data by value or regular expression and replace them with test data from datasets or data generators. Other parameterization capabilities are available for more elaborate requirements. correlation of Salesforce scripts is automatic. Complete scripting is provided with support, regardless of scenario complexity. Thank you for watching.